As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm trying to decide between the Master Cook 3-burner grill and the Coleman RoadTrip 285. What are your thoughts?
Okay, let's dive in. The Master Cook Grill has a cooking area of 472 square inches, while the Coleman has 285. That's a pretty big difference if you're cooking for a crowd.
That's a good point. I do sometimes have larger groups over. But what about portability? I like the idea of taking a grill camping.
The Coleman RoadTrip is definitely designed for portability. It has quick fold legs and wheels. The Master Cook, while it has wheels, is a bit bulkier at 46.6 pounds.
Okay. What about the burners and heat output?
The Master Cook has 3 stainless steel burners putting out 30,000 BTU. The Coleman also has 3 adjustable burners, but only 20,000 BTU total. So more power with the Master Cook.
Okay, power is good. What about materials? I want something that will last.
Both seem to use stainless steel, at least for some components. The Master Cook boasts a stainless steel control panel and handle. The Coleman's description focuses more on its portability features.
And what about reviews? What are people saying about them?
The Master Cook has way more reviews, over 3,500 with a 4.2 star rating. People seem to like its cooking ability and value, but some mention flimsy construction. The Coleman has far fewer reviews, only 44, but a slightly higher rating of 4.3 stars. Those reviewers seem to find it easy to assemble and convenient.
Right, so a trade-off. More powerful, larger cooking area with the Master Cook, but maybe not as durable. More portable with the Coleman, but less cooking space and less powerful.
Exactly. And consider this. The Coleman is currently unavailable, so you might not even be able to get it right now.
Oh, wow. I didn't even notice that. Okay, that definitely sways things. Maybe the Master Cook is the better bet for me right now. Thanks for the help.
No problem. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.